Hey, what's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another phone case review for the iPhone XR, and we are also going to be giving this away. Yes, we're going to be giving this case away for the iPhone XR. One lucky person will win this case, but for right now, let's jump into it. Let's see what it looks like on this phone. So, right away we get our custom thank you from Clayco branding. We'll set that to the side. Comes packaged in this nice little piece of plastic. There we go. That is it. Clayco, you got your branding right here on the bottom. You got your cutout on the back. We're going to take that plastic off. This is where you always want to separate these cases. Right here. Boom. Pull down. Get your rubberized piece. You got your nice branding right in here. Your C and then your Clayco. Get your foam out of there. All right. No more plastic. Snap your phone into the front. Drop your front into your rubberized shell. And there you go. So right away we can see the sleekness of that Apple logo. Cut out for your camera, rubberized edges. Front has a protective plastic layer. Side buttons nice and clicky, like that. Volume button, nice and clicky. All of our ports are wide open. Boom, boom, boom. See, just like that. Boom. All right, so nice case. Clayco branding, they do really nice cases, so we don't have a problem with any of these. We give this a 5 out of 5. Make sure you go and pick you one up. Stop by their website, and you can actually get these on Amazon.com. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a link below in the description so that you can pick you up one of these. This is the Clayco Xenon by Clayco. What more can you ask for? Protect that iPhone. We know that they're really expensive right about now, so you need the best protection. So this has been drop tested. Your screen will never touch because of the raised edges. Raised edges all the way around. You can lay it down, your screen won't touch. Your screen won't get scratched and dented and cracked. All right. So like I said, I'll be giving this case away. So drop down below in the comments. Subscribe to my channel first off, so I can keep bringing you the greatest in content. So until next time, give me that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.